Every millisecond counts. In 2026, a 1-second delay in your Shopify store's loading speed isn't just an inconvenience. It is a direct hit to your conversions. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 Liquid Theme Engine updates. These changes are game changers for your core web vitals and overall performance rankings. Let us understand the shift. The old rendering pipeline was sequential. The new 2026 engine introduces advanced server-side rendering optimizations built directly into the Liquid core. One of the biggest breakthroughs is scoped rendering. This allows Shopify to render only the specific blocks needed for the viewport, drastically reducing initial server response time. Before we change a single line of code, we need to diagnose. The 2026 Shopify Theme Inspector for Chrome is your most powerful tool for this task. By running a profile, you can see exactly which Liquid files are causing bottlenecks. Notice how nested loops often show up as the primary culprits in older themes. Step 1 is loop optimization. Stop using generic for loops for everything. Instead, use the new pre-filtered collection methods to fetch exactly what you need immediately. Step 2 involves scoped snippets. Move your heavy logic out of the main layout and into scoped snippets to ensure memory is handled more efficiently during the render. Step 3 utilizes the new 2026 performance filters. These are specifically tuned for JSON trimming and lightning-fast image processing within the Shopify CDN architecture. Finally, focus on resource loading. Implementing native defer and async strategies through Liquid section settings ensures that non-essential scripts do not block your page's first paint. The results speak for themselves. This store went from a 3.5-second load time down to a lightning-fast 0.8 seconds using these 2026 best practices. You can see the Lighthouse scores soaring. Improving your core web vitals isn't just for Google. It is for providing the best possible experience for your customers. To recap, optimize your loops, use scoped rendering, leverage the new filters, and manage your resources. These 4 steps will keep you ahead of the competition. Start updating your themes today. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more advanced Shopify development insights. Let us build faster stores together.
Is your Shopify store losing customers before it even loads? In the world of e-commerce, speed is the ultimate conversion killer. Research shows that a mere 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a staggering 7% drop in conversions. Even the most visually stunning themes can crawl if they aren't managed correctly. Today, we identify the silent killers of your store's performance. Let's start with Section 1, the app bloat trap. It is tempting to install every new app that promises to boost your sales. However, every single app you install injects its own hidden layer of JavaScript and CSS into your theme's core structure. This redundant code creates a massive digital weight, forcing the browser to work harder and longer just to display your homepage. The solution is a regular audit. Identify which apps are truly essential for your business and which ones are just taking up space. When you delete an app, remember that leftover code fragments often remain in your theme files, continuing to slow you down. Moving to Section 2, unoptimized imagery. High-resolution photos are essential for e-commerce, but they often come with massive file sizes. Large images loading all at once, especially those at the bottom of the page, block critical content from appearing to the user immediately. Implement lazy loading. This technical standard ensures that images only load when they are about to enter the user's viewport. Also use optimization tools like TinyIMG to compress your assets before you even upload them to Shopify. Quality remains, but size drops. Section 3 addresses feature and animation overload. Parallax effects and complex sliders might look cool, but they often sacrifice speed. On mobile devices, these animations can cause stuttering and lag, leading to a frustrating experience for your potential customers. Prioritize user experience over dazzle. A fast, clean, and functional store will always outperform a flashy but slow one. If you are starting fresh, use a lightweight theme like Shopify's Dawn as your base. It is built for performance from the ground up. Now for Section 4, technical debt. Manual code edits and inefficient redirects are the hidden enemies of a fast site. Broken layouts and messy Liquid code can create internal errors that stop the page from rendering correctly for your visitors. Move non-critical scripts to the footer of your theme using the defer attribute. This allows the primary visual content to load first. Utilize Shopify's theme inspector for Chrome. It provides a visual breakdown of which parts of your liquid code are taking the most time. Finally, let's wrap up with the speed audit. Recalibrating your theme, images, and apps is a continuous process, not a one-time fix. Use Google PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix regularly to monitor your progress and catch any new performance issues early. Remember, fast stores sell more. By optimizing today, you are creating a better experience for your customers and boosting your revenue. Start optimizing your Shopify theme today. For more e-commerce tips, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Ever felt the frustration of waiting for a website to load while shopping online? You're not alone. See that? A digital snail crawling across a loading icon. This is the nightmare of every Shopify merchant. Did you know a mere 1-second delay can drop your conversion rates by 7%? That is money leaving your pocket. Today, we are identifying the silent conversion killers, the common theme mistakes slowing your store down, and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, the kitchen sink theme choice. It is tempting to pick a theme that does everything. Many multipurpose themes load code for 50 features, even if you only use 5. This bloat kills your page speed instantly. The solution? Switch to OS 2.0 optimized themes like Dawn or Sense. They are built for speed and efficiency from the ground up. Mistake number 2 is app script accumulation. Every app you install adds more JavaScript to your store's to-do list. Even after you delete an app, ghost code often lingers in your theme liquid file, blocking your site from rendering quickly. Audit your apps monthly. Remove unused code snippets manually to keep your theme file clean and your loading time short. Next up, an optimized hero imagery. A beautiful banner is useless if it takes 10 seconds to appear. Stop using raw JPEGs. Instead, use web format and ensure your theme supports lazy loading for content below the fold. Mistake 4, over-customization. Hard coding to many tracking pixels and font families creates a chaotic mess for browsers. Use the Shopify Pixel API and limit yourself to font variations. Less is always more when it comes to speed. Finally, don't neglect your mobile hero sections. Most themes force mobile users to download huge desktop-sized images. Implement responsive images using circset in Liquid. This ensures every device gets the perfectly sized image for its screen. Let's recap. Use a lightweight theme. Audit your apps, compress your images, and clean up your custom code. The result, a store that races past the competition. Run a PageSpeed Insights test now and start pruning your theme today.
Is your Shopify store feeling sluggish? Today, we are deep diving into optimizing your speed by eliminating render blocking resources for a better user experience. Render blocking files like CSS and JavaScript stop the browser from showing your page until they are fully loaded, causing visitors to bounce away quickly. Look at this PageSpeed Insights report. That red warning for eliminate render blocking resources is the primary culprit behind your slow mobile performance scores. To fix this, we first need to identify the specific files. Open Chrome DevTools and navigate to the Network tab to see the loading sequence. Notice the long bars for certain scripts. Often these come from unoptimized themes or third-party apps that inject heavy code into your header. Let's tackle JavaScript first. Using async and defer attributes can prevent scripts from halting the HTML parsing process entirely. Async loads the script while the page parses, whereas defer executes it only after the parsing is finished. Both are essential for performance. Open your Shopify theme editor and locate theme.liquid. We will now apply these attributes to non-essential scripts within the head section. For even better results, move non-critical script tags from the top of the file to just before the closing body tag at the bottom. Now, let's talk. CSS. Critical CSS involves inlining the styles needed for above default content directly into your HTML for instant rendering. This ensures that the first thing your customers see is styled correctly. even before the main style sheet has finished downloading in the background. For the rest of your CSS, use preloading techniques. This tells the browser to fetch the file with high priority without blocking the render. Don't forget to minify your CSS files. Removing unnecessary spaces and comments reduces file size and speeds up the transfer process significantly. It is also time to audit your apps. Many apps add excessive scripts that you might not even be using anymore. Clean them out. For essential but heavy apps like chat widgets, implement lazy loading. These should only load once the user starts interacting with the page. With these changes implemented, run a final speed test. You should see a dramatic improvement in your performance scores and load times. Optimizing your Shopify store isn't just about technical scores. It's about providing a seamless experience that keeps your customers coming back. Better speed leads to better SEO rankings and higher conversion rates. Audit your store today and start seeing the benefits of a faster site.